Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. Duties and responsibilities of a fourth engineer. चलो देखते हैं. Let's see. So first thing is you have to know what are you working on. Your machineries, compressors and purifiers, pumps or generators maybe. Because when I was a fourth engineer in Searland, I was working on generators. When I was a fourth engineer in in BP shipping, that time my job was working on compressors and purifiers. And even a bit on pumps. So it depends on company and you have to know which machinery that you have to work upon. So first thing is that even before joining your first ship as fourth, you have to know everything about them. So theory part today is covered in Merchant Navy Decoded with all the packages created out there. And practical part अगर cover करना है, there are a lot of training centers whether in Delhi and in Mumbai where you can go invest from your own pocket, but learn so that झाड़ पे आके दिक्कत ना है. एटलीस्ट अगर आपने एक बार प्यूरीफायर यू हैव ओवरहॉल्ड, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द थ्योरी, इट विल हेल्प यू earn respect on ship, which is very very important. If you have at all, you have no knowledge about purifiers, compressors, pumps, generators, so you have to know about these machineries, very important. Then fuel and sludge transfer you might have done during junior engineer time, but now you will be handling it as with a responsibility. Saturday routines भाई very very important. Blower flaps, funnel flaps, ये सबको ऑपरेशन आपको आना चाहिए, कैसे ऑपरेट करते हैं ये सब पता. These are very important things. Bunkering. Do you know the calculation? If you do not know, if you are confused between VCF, WCF, mass, density, weight, correction factor, everything, then go for Achiever package. You will find bunkering calculation, everything out there, which how it works on board ship, and it will help you earn respect on ship. A junior engineer is today taking bunkering on one of the ships because his third engineer was not there and he could convince his chief engineer that he can do bunkering because he could calculate everything and he could show him that this is what is happening. Bunkering. Paperwork, yes, important part, but इसका बहुत simple तरीका है. When the chief fourth year signing off, learn everything from him, write down. Today you can carry a mobile with you and make all the videos. अच्छा ये ऐसे करना है, then you can remember. Last but not the least, spares. Yes. जाते ही within the first 10 days, ensure that you have checked all the spares of the machinery that you are looking at. कि इसमें क्या क्या है, क्या क्या नहीं है, and accordingly you can order those spares. अगर नहीं idea, sit with your chief engineer, show him कि सर इसमें ये चीज़ें हैं, टेल मी हाउ मैनी शुड वी ऑर्डर सो दैट आई कैन रिक्वेस्ट फॉर अ रिक्वेजिशन. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू नो. आई थिंक सो इट मेक्स कंप्लीट सेंस. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर MEO class for exam, so Vikas sir has created this wonderful MEO class for excellence package for you so that you can prepare and clear your MEO class for exams ASAP, maybe in the first attempt. Go for this package, become a part of Merchant Navy Decoded community जहाँ पर we are there to mentor you so that you clear your exams fast and get COC faster. Take care. Bye.